Hey Alex, do you wish you had an inner voice that guiding you through difficult decisions?
Like, should I have this game?
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know. Kind of already have one.
What? So, here's the story. I was browsing through the Instagram as I normally do, and within a day of difference, I saw two designers that I follow publishing their own Instagram filters, and I thought, wait a minute, you can do that? And then I thought, oh, maybe I can do that. It's probably not that hard. And oh boy, was I naive. Thing is, that idea of creating an Instagram filter is kind of interested me, but I have no idea of what kind of filter it should be. So I continued browsing the Instagram feed, and then I saw the perfect idea within this illustration from 157 of Gemma. I started to think it would be kind of cool to have little Mochi's angel and towel sitting around the head and giving me advice of how to live my life. The idea is here, all it's left is to make it happen. And to make it happen, we need to accomplish several things. Let's learn how to make filters in the first place. And to make an Instagram filter, you need a SparkR software. It's a free software, I suppose, designed by Facebook. And to be honest, it's not the easiest software to understand, especially if you have never ever worked before with any AR or 3D animation technologies. And I haven't. But the good thing is they have quite a bit of open documentation with the tutorials that are pretty much easy to follow, so if you want to achieve similar to tutorial look, it's easy and you can do that with no time. But I guess my filter idea wasn't so easy to implement, so I ended up watching a bunch of YouTube videos on SparkR, and I was surprised to see that you even can make games with it. But anyways, let's jump right into it. Let's try to make our first prototype. The easiest part of this prototype is preparing initial materials. What I have here is opened Photoshop with a screenshot of Gemma's illustration that I took from her Instagram account. So what I'm going to do next is to separate devil and angel from the illustration and the white background. Let's go ahead and do that. So here are our separated illustrations. I added one more advice to showcase the picker. It's based on another Gemma's comics, but I made up the text. All that's left is to save them as PNGs so we can use them in our project. Okay, now we're switching to SparkR. Let's start a new project. SparkR has a cool feature where you can test your applications with your face. So let's go ahead and do that. Now you can see me. So first thing that we do is we're going to place angels around the face. Now you can see if I move the camera, I cannot fully see our angels and devil. And this is a problem. What we can do is make them smaller, but now you cannot read anything there. So this is not a good solution. What we are going to do next? Let's stop here for a second. Here's what I was trying to do in the first place. I thought, since camera view can't reveal angels, I should move them from the camera space into the world space, so they're kind of around you in the world. And I tried that. So Place it here. Okay. Where did you go? Where are you? Where are you? Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. I don't understand. After this approach didn't work, I tried another one. I saw a video of someone creating a 3D wallpaper, and I thought I can just place the angels on the background and cut myself out. So, kind of smart. I went ahead and created a 3D wallpaper, which is actually kind of cool. You can find the grid from the Facebook to do so. And yeah, when I tried the filter on, okay, this is not what I wanted. Yeah, that was a stupid idea. So I spent several days trying different things, going through one tutorial to another, and after another failure, Alex came and it went something like this.
Okay, what seems to be the problem?
I'm trying to make them move, but they're not moving.
Okay, and what does this thing do? Seems like it's exactly what you're looking for, no?
I don't know, I haven't tried it. They're moving! For some reason, Alex thought that face tracking tool is the tool that I need. When I thought that face tracking was used only for face masks like beards and glasses, and I didn't think that it will allow side angle view, which kind of helped me out. So now, when the problem is solved, we can go back and finish the filter. What we are going to do next, we are going to add a face tracker. And we're going to place those objects onto the face tracker. Now, when I move, you can see them moving as well. You cannot see it here in this preview, but if you go and send this to device, you will be able to see the effect. So this way, angels are hanging around the face, and with slight camera turn, you can reveal the whole angel. Or by backing up further away, you can achieve the same result. Let's go back to filter. What is left is we need to add options. For that, we are going to add a Picker UI patch. Just go ahead and select Picker UI. Now it should work. You see? It works. Okay, what's left is one minor thing. I think it's kind of nice to have some kind of floating animation. So what we are going to do is we go to the panel, actions, animate, float. Now let's adjust the parameters so it's floating and not jumping on trampolines. So now we're ready to connect with Gemma. Isn't it amazing? If you don't know Gemma, she draws amazing, hilarious illustrations about her life with a pug and 2 chihuahuas, and she really seems to be a super nice person. So why didn't I connect with Gemma before making a prototype, you might ask? And this is a really good question. The answer is that when you have a decent prototype to show, it's much easier to convince people to participate in your project. Otherwise it's just words. And as you can see, there were times when even I wasn't sure I can make this filter happen. So I made a video with the filter for her, and I will go ahead and write her a message. So, I've got the answer. Hello, thank you, it is really cool. I've been wanting to do filters for a while, but I don't know how, and I'm happy to send you files. What? I mean, that is so cool. Can you imagine? She's on board. Wait, there is more. I really wanted to do a filter like those that you get something on your forehead that asks, which Disney princess are you? In the end it says, Ariel? Yeah, I've seen those. I wanted to do something like that with the Mochi. Either what 157 character are you or what Mochi are you? I would like to do ideally both. Is it something that you can do? Alright, So I think I can. I've seen tutorials on that already, so that's actually cool. That means we will do a set of filters. Wow, I can't believe she answered me. I mean, how cool is that? Okay, now she will send me files. Let me try and finalize everything. So it's been a while, but the good news is that filters are here and they are approved. We end up making 4 filters, 2 of them with the character popping up, and 2 of them with the angel and devil mochis. One of them was the original idea, and the other one was the angels giving random advice. You can see them all here. I encourage you to find those filters on the Instagram by searching 157 Gemma and try them by yourself. It's been a real pleasure to work with Gemma, and I think we achieved a great result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more digital and not digital projects. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye! They're moving.
I know. I saw the other side. It's so fake. Run!
Should we eat a treat?